Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable remote desktop connection on a Windows 11 device. So when you install Windows 11 for the first time, remote desktop connection will be turned off. So to turn on remote desktop connection, what you need to do is you need to go to your start menu. From your start menu, you can see we have the Windows settings. So click on settings. And from the settings here, you can see we have under system. Just scroll down and then you can see we have the remote desktop. So from the remote desktop here, we can actually decide to see, you can see that the remote desktop by default, this is actually turned off. So when you try to actually remote it into a device and you are receiving any error message, you should know that this is actually the reason why you could not actually remotely connect to that device. So just turn it on. So it's going to ask you to confirm and just click confirm. And by confirming that you want to actually remotely put on the device, here you can see that it says use this name to connect to this PC from another device. So we can actually use this name, that's the Windows 11 02, to connect to this device. And here we can actually decide to even add users who should be able to connect to this device remotely. So let me just click cancel. And if you're actually doing this from an enterprise device, that's a device that belongs to a company, you should also make sure that the remote desktop connection is not being blocked by using group policy from your company. Thank you very much for taking your time to watch this video. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT or computer videos. And please, you can always leave a comment in the comment section, or you can send me a personal email. I'm going to leave my email in the email description of this video. You can always send me an email and I will reply to you as quick as possible as well. Bye.